Hello friends, good evening. I've got this thing to show you, the thigh pad and tank pads for various models we have. This is for Hayabusa, this is thick one, very grippy, and for rest of the model we have this kind of a slimmer one. This is the tank pad, these are thigh pad, very slim, like as slim as 1mm or 2mm, very sturdy, you'll get a good grip. I have other models also to show you. Let's go. These all I have for Kawasaki. Have a look. These are for Benelli. This is Benelli 600 and 300. These are BMW. These are Ducati. This is Suzuki. These are Triumph. Here is Honda. These are Aprilia and some other models of Aprilia. These are Yamaha. Not all this, we have separate universal tank pad as well. You can put it on any super bike. These are quite good in size and will give you good grips. All are available at Open Throttle Racers. You can contact us through Instagram or from our website also. Soon these all will be listed on the website as well. Thank you. This is my Ninja 300. I have installed it yesterday and installation is very easy. Even you can do it, but I did it through an expert. See, these are very sturdy. You can't remove it easily. No gaps, nothing whatsoever. It gives a good grip. The hand doesn't slip so easily.